Good morning and welcome. It's Jilly Cube and I'm here on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia, coming to you with another little pour. I'm going to use up some leftover paints that I do have left. So I'm going to maybe do a split composition. In half of my canvas will be white and half will be black. So it doesn't have to be dead on equally the same. So this is a black navy. It was very dark navy, but it does almost look more black than navy. So I've got split the composition up and see what we get. It is a gorgeous, gorgeous sunny day here in Queensland today. Beautiful sunny weather, very warm, and my air conditioner decides to give up the ghost. It's not working, so I'm in my studio and it's very, very warm. But of course, not even the heat can keep me out from a day of creating or a few hours of creating in the studio. Just love it. But I really, really hope that we can get this air condition finished, repaired soon. Soon, please. Because it's very hot. So just going over this black area, like I'm not like too pedantic about, like getting it straight lines or anything like that. I'm just gonna try a split pour on it, see what I can get out of this one. I guess I have a few colours left here which I'm gonna definitely put in. I'm thinking that I might swipe, do a bit of a test here. So that's the gold, the metallic gold, and I'm just wondering if this is the Amsterdam black with the Aussie Floetrol. Just seeing what a swipe over the black when the gold does. So I'll try just the black. Get my favourite swipey tool, which is the soft plastic file divider. I'm just going to drop the very tip in that swipe colour, the black, and drag it through and see. Oh, wow. Oh my goodness, that is gorgeous. Didn't get the same effect there because I obviously dragged a lot more of the white through it. So let's try this again. Oh my goodness, every single time this dog decides to do that when I'm get the camera out and start pouring. Hey Benson, shh. He's all hyped up because we've found a couple of mice in here. Well, he found them, and so he's just almost been tearing up my studio trying to get these little mice. So I'm going to have to sort that problem out. Hey! Shh! That is gorgeous. I wonder if I do the opposite on the white. That's very nice. Almost like a ghost swipe thing. So I might try it again on this side, but swiping the gold through the white. I'll put the gold along here. Kind of very classical colours, classy looking colours, aren't they? Gorgeous. But I'll bring the camera down to show you the effects that it's given close up, because I know that my camera doesn't show those as they appear. So I'll go back over with my swipey tool. So let's see what it comes out like in the white. Wowzers trousers. Look at that. That is the difference that the Aussie Floetrol makes. I must admit, it is definitely liquid gold. Back down here. This is an easy beginner's one, really, to do something like this. This is beautiful. It's turned out, I mean, I could very well just leave this as it is. It's beautiful. It's almost like Kathleen Osmore swipe of Cos Creation. She does lots of beautiful swipes. I think her mantra is swiping is my jam. So, you know that I love balloon kissing, but I also, to make my balloon kissing come out even more, it is always usually a swipe before it. That is gorgeous. I'm going to bring you down to have a look at these cells because they're so gorgeous. Just look at these cells. They're so gorgeous. Even like how they break away and lacy, they've still got a really nice form to them. Wow, wow, and more wow. Look at the white with the gold in it. Just absolutely gorgeous. You can't really, I mean, that's so simplistic and quite quick to do, you know, besides you never seen all the preparation of the paint. But look at that, it's a lovely reflection swipe, and I could absolutely leave it right there. But I might try and do some little blooms in there. So I will have a think about it first before I carry on, but that is gorgeous, really gorgeous. So what I'm going to do with this particular one, to make it my own, so it isn't like somebody else's swipe, I then add my signature in it, like, so doing it with this is just a normal size balloon. It just has a little bit of water in it to give it a bit of weight. It probably works exactly the same with a little balloon that hasn't got water in it. It's just I like the extra weight. It's easily gripped. So these create like a little, look at that, like little fireworks effect almost in it, and when you press it into those cells, just the most magical thing happens. And I know that if you have never been an artist or not done this kind of artwork before, when you first do this particular technique and you get these effects in your cells that make it look like you've spent hours creating a little flower in there, it's exciting. It is exciting. I know when I first did it, I just absolutely was, oh my goodness, look what I've created. It's a lot of fun. It's definitely rewarding. So give it a go. Even the skeptics out there, give it a go before you criticize anybody, not only me, but anybody. Just give it a go. But that is jillifying it. I am jillifying it. So it's definitely fireworks at night kind of pour. I want to get some of this black in and see if I can put some in my other bits here. It's not sort of it's not coming out anyhow, that's pretty nice. I'm really super duper happy with that. You've got to be happy with that. It's definitely jillified. It's just how somebody that knows my particular technique or knows my style, just like, you know, other famous artists have their own style, like Ken Down or Banksy. You all know what a Banksy is, or Jackson Pollock, or they all have their own style. You can normally tell when you see a piece of art that it's theirs. So I love that. Classy colours, very minimalistic, but absolutely stunning. That would look really nice in a gold frame or that sort of earth tone frame. I will put some pictures on of the dry product. I'm just going to go around the edge with the black and then finish it off, and it's all done. So I hope you enjoyed my other crazy journey for today. Please all have a great weekend, or a great week if it's the beginning of your week. Enjoy, stay safe, and feeling sad, lonely, afraid, or anything that gives you a feeling of you need somebody, please ring a helpline or ring a family friend. There is always somebody there to help you. And just keep plodding on. Keep plodding on. Bye for now, my lovelies.